Hey, what's going on, my friends? This is Rowan from Optimizfx, and I thought I'd just do a quick video on this EA right here. This is called EABSTrend, and I just wanted to show you guys how bad things can go with this EA. So at the moment we're a negative 1100, but just before, and I only just had a look at this about an hour or two ago, you can see it was a bit further down. It was actually negative about $1,800, close to 2,000. And considering there's only 3,200 in the account, that's definitely more than 50% equity in drawdown. So I just wanted to show, you know, this bot and how bad it can go with it. It is actually quite good. Like, it's made, I think this is one of the $1,000 challenge bots, and it started on 1,000 and it's sitting on $3,264 at the moment. But it is, as you can see, it is in negative 1,100. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on this one and just show you all this here, what's happening. Now, I haven't tried this EA on less leverage. So what would happen here if I had less leverage is the margin would be less. So it may not have had enough margin to place those buys as it was trending down. So it might not be as bad as what it looks right now. So I'm not sure, but it's worth trying. This is on the H1 time frame. I'm not sure what the best time frame is for this. I'd need to do some digging up of my documents to see what the go is with this one. But it is a good robot, but I think it needs a lot of equity, because it can place buyers at 0.28 lot size. And if this trend keeps going down, well, this is going to blow the account eventually, I guess. Or it might place bigger trades because there is margin there. So I'm not exactly sure. Looks like it's got 6 buyers in there at the moment. But yeah, just that, and I do have some new EAs I am testing, new robots. There's this one called the Make Money EA. Great start. I just blew the account with it, but it is running, all these pairs, and I only had, I think, $300 or $400 in the account, so I was just seeing how it was trading. So yeah, definitely didn't have enough equity to run that amount. This is running on 2 pairs, the Make Money EA as well. Very early too early to tell how this is going to go. It is a paid EA. This one is a new one that I'm testing. It's the Ichimoku, and currently it's in profit, and I believe this is the first trade. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let it go for a week or two and see how it trades. These are apparently pretty aggressive settings that I've got. It's getting close to the take profit, and this trades based on a percentage of the account as well. So as the account grows, it will start placing bigger trades, and it's placing a trade a lot based on the equity of the trades, the account. So we'll see how it goes. This one's a free EA from the MetaTrader, from the market. So if you go to the market here, you can see you can just get the SAD, I don't know what it's called, SAD, but it's SaadScalper. So this has been really interesting. This is a free robot. I thought, well, it's got a lot of reviews, it's got a lot of people that are interested in it, and I thought I'll give it a test. Why not? What can you lose, right? It's only a demo account. I'm actually quite impressed. I'm running 4 pairs. It runs the M1 time frame. It is trading gold quite well. It's on gold at the moment. These are not the base settings. The base settings are shite. you do need to optimize this EA in order for it to trade profitably. I may do a video on optimizing it just for you guys, just to show you how I did it and how I got to these settings that are profitable. But like today, it's in negative $21 at the moment, but I think I started this account with $1,000, and just today it's made $212. And just to prove it's today, but no, the last 3 days. Okay, sorry, I'll take that all back. Right, $91 just today. The last 3 days it's $200, which is nothing to be seized at for a free EA. This is free. It has got some losing trades. I'll just show through here, like, but not many. And just you know, there's a big one, $38.85 for pound USD, but pretty solid. Like, only a couple of losing trades, and the losers are not much of a loss. Like negative $2 was the most I think I saw there. Yeah, if this goes well for the next couple of weeks, I'll probably send that onto a live account. But that's just an update from me, Brian at Optimizfx. I hope you guys like the new logos and all of that got done. If you're interested, or you have a YouTube channel or anything like that, and you need some YouTube banners or logos done, just let me know, and I'll send you through the link to the guy on Fiverr that did mine. He's awesome. I gave him 5 stars. Beautiful work. If you're watching this, bro, love your work. Excellent communication. Got it done in like 3 days. Knew exactly what I wanted. Perfect. But that's it for me today. That was just a midweek update. I'll do another update at the end of the week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.